The 2011 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power door locks, CD player, passenger airbag, power windows, child safety locks, passenger airbag on-off switch, brake assist, rear head airbag. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.